one of the most important parts of the industry is understanding that not only do we have this partnership between thinset and tile, but more importantly that we have a partnership with waterproofing. We are the industry of waterproofing. We understand that you can't let bacteria behind the wall. You can't let mold grow. We identify with this. Matter of fact, we target it and we say, listen, we're going to build showers that don't have these disruptive characteristics. But the problem is that we don't do that successfully because we allow third-party technologies like wall anchors, third-party shower doors, grab bars, seating, hand showers. All these things have to enter the space. I mean, as a tile industry, we can't just say to consumers, oh, you can have a shower with walls and water. Well, that doesn't work. Consumers need more than walls and water. They need functional utility in the space. I mean, people have their lifestyle. So the shower must be composed of values that transcend just the concept of walls and water. In a sense, a shower is not a shower until we combine all these elements together in one holistic construction method. And so this is what I'm trying to tell the industry. It has a misidentity. It's not really delivering on the promise of waterproofing, because every one of these waterproofing technologies that we provide from every manufacturer is penetrated by some third-party system, as I described. And the result is a terrible cesspool for mold and bacteria. I mean, the plumbing industry sells probably tens of millions of hand showers, products that penetrate our shower system, our waterproofing system. Whether they're sheet membrane or liquid membrane, it doesn't matter. They're penetrated. And it's causing our products to fail. So what am I trying to do? Well, I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to stop it. I mean, the industry has to have a solution. They have to have a way to look at anchoring as having adjacency with waterproofing. What the heck does that mean? It just simply means that if we're in this industry, we can't look at anchoring as a third-party solution. It must be part of our dialogue. It must be part of the waterproofing envelope. The industry has to embrace waterproof wall anchors. The industry has to adopt methods that not only address surfaces, but what embraces or engages our surfaces that may potentially violate our systems. We have to stop it. We have to become an owner of it. We have to talk about it. We have to fix it for consumers.
As you can obviously see and hear, I'm passionate about helping the industry solve this problem regarding penetrations. Hollow wall anchors, toggles, mollies, they're all invasive solutions that simply don't work. Not only do penetrating anchors rupture our membranes, but they perform poorly. We need methods that have tile-specific workflows, methods that embrace our waterproofing technology. So we've assembled a series of waterproof wall anchors for that purpose. We have a bonded seat flange for floating seats, anchors for general accessories, both single wall and corner wall, hook anchors, hand shower anchors, as well as a footrest anchor. We have a series of grab bar anchors with waterproofing gaskets. So listen, let's continue this conversation. Make comments below. Let us know what you think about this technology. We're eager to support you in answering these questions. Thanks a bunch.